Despite the recent news of Husqvarna stepping away from the SuperMotocross championship as a factory team starting in 2027, opting instead to focus on supporting independent outfits, the legendary brand is still coming out swinging. Unveiling a fresh line of motocross machines earlier this week, Husqvarna dropped 9 distinct dirt bikes that perfectly blend cutting-edge technology with striking new visuals. It just goes to show that their dedication to building premium racing machines for both casual weekend warriors and professional racers remains as strong as ever. Visually, the 2027 Husqvarna Motocross lineup is an absolute standout, leaning heavily into a gorgeous throwback aesthetic. Setting themselves apart from the rest of the pack, these new dirt bikes feature chromium-molybdenum frames that are now powder-coated in a brilliant white. This crisp, bright chassis is then paired with striking bodywork adorned with classic graphics inspired by the brand's Swedish roots. It's a fresh, nostalgic look that perfectly underlines the manufacturer's progression while honoring its rich off-road heritage. When it comes to handling and build quality, this lineup doesn't mess around. While utilizing the same proven chassis and suspension technology found on the outgoing models, the 2027 editions come armed with race-tested, top-shelf hardware straight from the factory. You're getting the latest WP XACT forks and XACT PDS rear shock to soak up the roughest tracks, complemented by circuit-ready components like high-performance Brembo brakes, pro-taper handlebars, twin air filters, and ODI grips for maximum control and confidence. For the purists who live for the aggressive scream and premix scent of a two-stroke engine, Husqvarna delivers a robust full-size TC series featuring the TC125, TC250, and the mighty TC300. These two-stroke power plants continue to utilize modern throttle body injection or TBI technology. This setup guarantees highly efficient fueling while providing an instantaneous, snappy throttle response, ensuring riders get a linear power surge and maximum traction coming out of every deep muddy berm. Shifting gears to the competition-focused four-stroke segment, Husqvarna offers the FC250, FC350, and the Premier Class monster, the FC450. The FC series is packed with a comprehensive suite of electronic rider aids designed to shave precious seconds off your lap times. Standard features include a quick shifter for seamless upshifts, traction control, and launch control for nailing those crucial hole shots. Riders can also toggle between 2 distinct engine maps on the fly via the handlebar-mounted multifunctional map Select Switch. Of course, the Swedish manufacturer hasn't forgotten about the Groms and aspiring future champions. The 2027 lineup boasts a complete minicycle fleet tailored for younger riders, starting with the beginner-friendly TC50, stepping up to the TC65, and culminating with the highly capable TC85. Designed to adapt to growing teens, the TC85 uniquely offers 2 different wheel size options, a 17/14" combo and a larger 19/16" setup, ensuring the bike fits the rider's height perfectly as they progress in their amateur racing career. So, when can you get your hands on these gorgeous machines? And how much will they set you back? Husqvarna has confirmed that the entire 2027 model range is rolling into authorized dealerships starting this month. Pricing spans quite a range, kicking off at an accessible $5,200 for the Kid Spec TC50 and climbing up to a hefty $11,750 for the flagship FC450, with plenty of options in between. Which model is catching your eye for the upcoming season? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.